Homes Under the Microscope, a citizen science project to investigate microplastics in the home. When we think of plastic in our homes, we often think of plastic bottles and packaging, but our homes contain an ever-increasing amount of hidden plastics. It's used in textiles and furnishings in our clothes, carpets, curtains, blinds, and even our beds. Around 2/3 of these textiles contain plastic and are made up of thousands of fibres, most commonly nylon, polyester and polypropylene. Some of these fibres enter the environment. They can be shed when they're washed. A single wash in a washing machine can release up to 700,000 fibres. With several homes all releasing these fibres, it can quickly add up. Whilst these go to a wastewater treatment plant and most are filtered out, some enter our rivers and the sea. But it's not just washing clothes that produces microplastics. A recent study found that just wearing polyester clothes releases as many microplastics as washing them. As we use the textiles in our homes, friction causes tiny microplastics to be released. So just by wearing clothes, walking across the carpet or sitting on the sofa, you are releasing microplastic fragments into the air about you. But you can't see them without a microscope. But we don't know how many microplastics there are or where most of them come from. We want your help as citizen scientists to understand more about these mysterious microplastics. We'll send you a kit containing a sample dish and a microscope. Remove the lid from the sample dish and place it in your home, somewhere it won't be disturbed. After 2 weeks, use the microscope to take photographs of the sample dish and upload the photos to our platform. Then put the lid on the sample dish, seal it with the completed label, and post your sample to us in the envelope provided. After we've received your samples, we'll analyse them using a technique that can tell us what types of plastics are in your sample. For instance, nylon could come from tights, polypropylene might be a bit of carpet, and polyester could be from a t-shirt. We'll be collecting this information from lots of citizen scientists so we can build an understanding of airborne microplastics in our homes. This is the first study to put citizens at the heart of understanding indoor microplastics. As citizen scientists, your comments will drive improvements in this field for others and help us understand which materials produce most microplastics. We're also working with industry to help reduce how many microplastics are released, making our homes and the environment a healthier place to be.